Your fortune. Don't look up.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for north central Benton County and east central Iowa until 6:15 p.m. At 12:12 p.m., local law enforcement officials reported flash flooding from an ice jam along the Cedar River southeast of Mount Auburn. The river is rising quickly on a gravel road between 54th Street Drive and 55th Street. The sheriff office is in the process of evacuating cabins along the river by boat. Ice jams can develop and break up quickly, resulting in rapid flooding immediately up or downstream of the jam. Be prepared to move to a safer location if flooding develops. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Benton, Iowa,